Hey everyone, Szenanphua from AcuTCM School. Today I'm going to share with you a case, a patient who suffered from dizziness for more than 20 years. And she had this conditions every day with dizziness and vomiting daily. Right? And because she was on a lot of medications, so that caused limb tremors, shaking. So after Jiyi Acupuncture, all symptoms disappear. So this is the Dr. Chen who treated her. He is an assistant of Jiyi Acupuncture. So I met him in Malaysia. Okay, let's have a look at the video. So this video, both video together, this is before Jiyi Acupuncture. This is after Jiyi Acupuncture. As you can see that she is smiling and happy and relaxed. Over here, let's have a look on this video. No problem at all in here, but that one, same person. Very, very difficult. Horrible, right? Very difficult. In these cases, we normally we're gonna check the Ji Yin Yang, whether Yin Yang any imbalance, and Shen Jiang imbalance, and Chu Lu imbalance. And then when they come to points, they are local points strategy and distal point strategies. Okay, right? So this is just a case that to show you that before and after, as you can see that not showing you any point, but if you want to learn more, you can join our Malaysia workshop. In Malaysia, it's coming up in next month, November, and this is my WhatsApp, and you can contact me if you want to. Now, if you're a patient, look at this video. If you suffer from dizziness, you're welcome to contact me. We're in New Zealand. We'll be able to help you with acupuncture. If you're too far away, then you can't access to acupuncture, access to our clinic. Hey, we'll be able to do an online initial examination to prescribe Chinese herbs. Thank you very much.